Idioms relating to physical appearance. You are already familiar with some of the adjectives that describe people. Today, let's have a look at some English informal expressions and idioms describing character and personality. Some of you might have heard 1 or 2, or maybe 10. Idioms describing character and personality. And I'm sure that most of you have met or heard of someone who matches one of the below definitions. Idiom number 1. Down at heel. A person who is down at heel is someone whose appearance is untidy or neglected because of a lack of money. Down at heel can be used like this. The down at heel student I first met became a successful writer. Idiom number 2. Face like a bulldog chewing a wasp. To say that someone has a face like a bulldog chewing a wasp means that you find them very unattractive because they have a screwed up ugly expression on their face. Now look at the example. Not only was he rude, but he had a face like a bulldog chewing a wasp. Idiom number 3. A face only a mother could love. This is a humorous way of saying that someone is ugly or unattractive. Take an example. The poor guy has a face only a mother could love. Idiom number 4. Face that would stop a clock. This is a humorous way of saying that someone is ugly or unattractive. It can be used like this. You'll recognize him, he's tall and thin, with a face that would stop a clock. Idiom number 5. 5 o'clock shadow. This expression refers to a patch of stubble on the face of a man who hasn't shaved for at least a day. You can say about him, he looked tired and had a 5 o'clock shadow. Idiom number 6. Like something the cat dragged in. If you compare a person or thing to something the cat dragged in, you think that he looks dirty, untidy, or generally unappealing. My teenage son often looks like something the cat dragged in. Idiom number 7. Look a sight. If a person looks a sight, his appearance is awful, unsuitable, or very untidy. He can be pointed out. He looks a sight in that dress. Idiom number 8. All skin and bone. If someone is all skin and bone, he is very thin, or too thin. He was all skin and bone after trekking in the Himalayas. Idiom number 9. Thin on the top. If someone, usually a man, is thin on the top, he loses his hair, or goes bald. Dad's gone a bit thin on the top in the last few years. Idiom number 10. As ugly as sin. The expression, as ugly as sin, refers to people or things considered very unattractive. Have you seen the new neighbor's dog? It's as ugly as sin. Happy watching! Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and daily shorts.